Hello, Junior 5. Let's complete our lessons, and here we have the O-Level Time for English Unit 9. Let's start with a new vocab. Here we have some activities or kind of sports. Okay, we have play ping pong, play ping pong, play volleyball, snorkel, snorkel, go fishing, go horseback riding, go horseback riding, go sailing, inline skate, listen to music. Okay, let's see the picture to see the new words. Here we have a table with two small rackets and small ball, which is the ping pong. So here we have play ping pong. And here we have play volleyball. As you see, we have net in the middle and two teams. Okay, here number 3, snorkel. Kind of swimming using a special kind of tube. Okay, number 4, go fishing. Okay, using a fishing rod. Okay, here go horseback riding. Means riding horses. Okay, number 6, go sailing using a boat. Okay, and here we have inline skate, as you see, using the roller blades. Okay, and here the last one, listen to music. Okay, and now let's go to the grammar part. Okay, the grammar here is about forming question, WH question, in the present simple tense. So we are going to learn how to form WH question in the present simple tense. Let's see the rule. WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb infinitive. So to form a question in the present simple, we have to start with the WH word, just like when, what, where, how, why, who, and so on. Then do or does depends on the subject. Okay, then the subject and then verb infinitive. The verb should be in the infinitive form. Okay, let's see when we use do and when do we use does. Here do when the subject is I, you, we, or they, and does if the subject is he, she, or it. Let's have an example. Here we have a question. What do they like to do? They like to play football. What does she like to do? She likes to read books. Okay, so here as you see, after the WH, we use do or does. Okay, then the subject, and then the verb infinitive. Here in the answer, we put likes because the subject here is she. We put SES or IES when the subject is he, she, or it. Let's have an exercise. Okay, here we have many answers, and you are going to form the question using the words between brackets. Number 1, I go to school by bus. Use or form a question using the WH word how. Okay, depending on the rule, we have to put the WH, do or does, subject, verb, infinitive. Okay, here the answer. How do you go to school? How, the WH, do or does, okay, subject, and the verb here infinitive. Okay, she visits her uncle on Tuesday. Use when. Again, the same rule. When does she visit her uncle? Number 3. The boy cries because he lost his toy. Use why. Okay. Why does the boy cry? Number 4. They meet their friends in the garden. Use where. Where do they meet their friends? Where do they meet their friends? The last one. My cat eats fish and dry food. Use what? What does your cat eat? What does your cat eat? Now let's do the practice in your book. Here we have pictures, and each picture has the pronoun or the subject which we are going to use in the question, and the verb which we are going to use in the answer. Here we have she and go fishing. Okay, let's form the question. What does she like to do? What does she like to do? The answer, she likes to go fishing. She likes to go fishing. Number 2. Here the subject, they, the verb go sailing. What do they like to do? What do they like to do? They like to go sailing. They like to go sailing. Okay, number 3. The subject here is you. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? I like to snorkel. I like to snorkel. Okay. Number 4, 5, and 6 will be your homework. Please try to do them yourself. Now let's go to the phonics time. Okay, here we have the picture in your book. The sound here is the double O. Okay, double O could be short like in cook, look, would. Okay, here the double O is short vowel O. Cook, look, would. Okay, and here the double O again, but we pronounce it just more a bit longer, like in broom, moon, noodle. Broom, moon, noodle. So here the vowel is short, and here the vowel is a bit longer. Okay, let's have some examples. Okay, here we have some examples on the short vowel. Book, took, hook, brook, hood, good, food. Okay, the other category here, which is a bit longer or long vowel, here we have kangaroo, groom, school, tooth, spoon, rooster, pool, cool. Okay, please repeat them all and try to see the difference between the two sounds. Now let's go to the workbook part to answer the questions together. Okay. In this page, we have some pictures and we are going to fill in the blanks. Okay, this page depends on the conversation on the first part in your the first page in your unit. Okay, here we have some words and we are going to put them in the suitable blanks. Here we have number 1. Oh no, I missed it. I missed it. Number 2. We won, so here we won too. We won, we won. Okay. Number 3, congratulations. Number 4, nice game. It was close. Next. Yeah, it was. Number 6. Do you want to play again? 7. Sure, and this time we will win. Number 8. We will see. Okay, check your answers, please. And let's go to the next page. Here we have pictures and we are going to write what are they doing. But before doing this page,